Hello everyone! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's lesson, we have postulate. So what are the objectives in our video for today? So number one, illustrate the need of an axiomatic structure of a mathematical system in general and particularly the postulates on geometry. Second is to illustrate a postulate. Third, identify the postulate applied in a given situation. Number four, justify a given statement by a postulate. So let's start with the definition of postulate. Postulates are statements that are assumed to be true without a proof. So let's start in line postulate. Line postulate, for every 2 points, there is exactly one line that contains both points. Ibig sabihin, kapag meron tayong 2 points at makakabuo ng exactly one line, yung line na yon, kinocontain niya po yung dalawang points. So, ibig sabihin, si point A and point B are collinear points. They are collinear points. Let's have the plane postulate. Any 3 points lie in at least one plane. Ibig sabihin, makakagamit tayo ng 3 points sa pagbuo ng isang plane. Any 3 non-collinear points lie in exactly one plane. Yung hindi pare-parehas na naglalay sa isang line, pwede po natin magamit na makabuo ng isang plane. Next, any 3 points are always coplanar. Okay? Coplanar po ang any 3 points. Non-collinear points, X, Y, and Z, lie on plane M only. Nasa plane M po sila point X, point Y, and point Z. Next, we have the flat plane postulate. If 2 points of a line lie in a plane, then the line lies in the same plane. Kung meron daw tayong 2 points sa loob ng isang plane, for example, we have point X and point Z. Kapag pinag-connect natin yan to make a line, and this line is also lie on our plane M. Okay? Ito po ay, ayan, line XZ is also lie in plane M. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, pinapatunayan na flat ang ating plane. Okay? Next, we have the plane intersection postulate. If two different planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. Kapag daw po nag-intersect ang dalawang plane, no, ang kanilang intersection ay isang linya. For example, we have plane K. Ito si plane K, nag-intersect siya kay plane S. No? Nag-intersect siya sa line FN. They intersect at line FN. Okay? So let's have an example. Let's name the postulate that is modeled by the following illustrations. So letter A, the feet of the camera tripod on the floor. So this is a plain postulate. Bakit? Kasi yung 3 feet of a camera tripod are points on a floor. Para siyang point na nasa floor. So any 3 non-collinear points lie in exactly one plane. Katulad ng sinabi sa plane postulate kanina. So let's have letter B. String held by kids while playing Chinese garter. No, ito po ay line postulate. For every 2 points, there is exactly one line that contains both points. So yung unang point is yung nasa unang kamay ng isang bata at yung pangalawang point ay nandoon sa isang kamay ng isang bata ulit. So kapag pinag-connect, we have lines. Okay? Exactly one line that contain both points. So yung dalawang point ay collinear points. So let's have last is letter C. cardboard protection of glasswares. Kung nakita nyo, nag-intersect sila. This is the plane intersection postulate. The intersection of two planes is a line. Ayan. Nakakita tayo ng lines kapag nag-intersect ang dalawang plane. Next, determine whether statement is always, sometimes, or never. Never true. So always true, sometimes true, or never true. First statement. Points E, F, and G are non-coplanar points. Non-coplanar ba yung tatlong points na ito? So, ang answer po dito ay never true. Bakit? Kasi po, ang tatlong points ay also a coplanar points. Okay? Hindi po siya non-coplanar, kundi coplanar points. Para makabuo tayo ng isang plane, kailangan meron tayong tatlong non-collinear, not non-coplanar. Okay? Non-collinear. Kaya never po ang answer natin dito. Next, letter B, we have point C and D are in plane R. Nasa loob daw ni plane R si point C at si point D. Any points collinear with C and D is in plane R. Any points daw na collinear na nasa loob ng isang line ni point C, ni line CD ay nasa loob din daw ni plane R, which is always true. Okay? Next, letter C. If points L, U, and V lie on plane N, kung nasa loob daw ni plane N si points L, U, and V, then they are collinear. So, ang answer po dito ay sometimes. Bakit? Hindi naman pwedeng porket nasa loob ka ni plane N ng isang plane ay collinear na kayo. Nasa iisang line na kayo. Okay, pwedeng nasa iisang linya si L, V, pero wala si U. Okay, pwedeng nasa iisang linya si L, U, pero wala si V. So, sometimes po. Pwede namang nasa iisang line si L, U, and V. So, ang answer po natin dito ay sometimes. Okay, next we have segment addition postulate. So, mag-a-add tayo dito ng mga segment. We have if L is between F and Y, then FL plus LY equals FY. So, to get the whole measure of our lines, of our segment, FY, we need to add FL and LY. So, this is our equation, FL plus LY equals FY. So, substitute lang po natin yung measure na meron tayo. Ang measure ni FL ay 5 cm. Ang measure ni LY ay 2 cm. We have 5 cm plus 2 cm equals FY. 5 cm plus 2 cm is equal to 7 cm. So, the whole measure of our segment is 7 cm. Okay, ganun po natin ginagamit ang segment addition postulate. How about the angle addition postulate? No, if N is in the interior of angle QRS, kapag sinabi natin interior, nasa loob ni angle QRS. Ito si QRS, QRS. Okay, nasa loob siya ng ating angle QRS. Then, measure of angle QRN plus measure of angle NRS is equal to measure of angle QRS. Kapag sinabi natin measure of angle QRN, itong part lang po na ito which is 80 degrees. At ang measure ni NRS and RS, itong part lang na ito which is 40 degrees, ay equal daw kay measure of angle QRS. No, kapag pinag-add natin yung dalawang angle. So let's substitute the value of or measurement of our angles. We have 80 plus 40 equals measure of angle QRS. 80 plus 40 is equal to 120 degrees. So, ang kabuuan pong degree ng ating angle ay 100 degrees. No, measure of angle QRS. So, Last postulate, we have the right angle postulate. Right angle postulate, all right angles are equal or congruent. Bakit? Dahil iisa lang naman po ang measure ng right angle. It is exactly 90 degrees. So kapag nakita po kayo ng ganitong sign sa mga angle, pag nakakita po kayo ng ganitong sign sa mga angle, automatically this is a right angle. Okay, measures exactly 90 degrees. All right angles are equal or congruent dahil isa lang naman ang measure ng right angle, which is 90 degrees. If angle F and angle Y, angle L are right angles, then angle F is congruent to angle L is congruent to angle Y. Okay? So let's try this activity. Direction, complete the following given statement. So number 1, all right angles are equal or congruent. Next, number 2, we have three non-collinear points determine a plane. Number 3, the intersection of two planes is a line. Any two points are collinear. Number 5, a postulate is a statement which is assumed to be true without a proof. I hope you're learning.